Hi YouTubers, welcome to Living Better with Carrie Bond. I'm Carrie Bond and I am here to talk to you today about weight loss after 40. I have a 2.5-year-old and I thought that I would never lose the weight that I was keeping on me after I had him. This time around, it was different. I'm older, I'm less active, and I needed a boost to get me on a weight loss journey. And the keto diet is what did it for me. I had used Weight Watchers in the past, and with my first child, I used Weight Watchers, and it worked great. And I was active, and I was journaling what I ate, and I felt good. However, this time around, I'm breastfeeding, I'm starving all the time, and I don't have the time to journal or I cannot moderate my food very well. So if you give me a free ticket to eat from every food group, I'm going to do that, and in abundance. I don't know if you're anything like me, but once I start, I can't stop. So the keto diet, because it was so restrictive, because it was limiting the food groups, I knew exactly what I could eat, exactly what I couldn't eat, and there was no question about it. I just had to follow it. And the wonderful, magical thing about the keto diet is that while you're on that diet, while you're not eating carbs, while you're staying under 20 grams of carbs per day, the weight or your appetite is so suppressed. I did not feel hungry. I was not eating very many calories at all. And it was amazing. I've always had a humongous appetite. I've always ate way more than I should. And I've always felt like I could never get full. I would never be full enough. And with the keto diet, I promise you, if you follow that diet, you will feel so much less hunger. You will not have hunger pains. You'll think, oh my goodness, I forgot to eat. That's great. I could never stop thinking about eating. And now with the keto diet that I've been on, the pounds melted off me within no time, at least 15 pounds within 30 days. And if you give it a try, I promise you, you will probably have the same results. Now, at this time, I'm just trying to maintain. So I do a watered down version of keto. I try to follow the keto diet all through the day so it still suppresses my hunger. And then I'll have a bowl of cereal at night or something, just a little treat for myself. And then the next day I get up and do it again. So I'm not depriving myself. I can manage my hunger, and I can still have a little snack or a treat that I would like to have if I wanted a bowl of ice cream or a bowl of cereal. Because you're not hungry, you're not picking up food all day, shoving something in your mouth all day. You actually are free from the obsession of eating. So if you like this video, you can stay tuned and check out my next videos for see how I'm doing in the maintenance period. Thanks.